They say time is money, but money can be earned again, and time never returns. Each sunrise you see is a coin you can only spend once. Every moment that passes is gone forever, yet it shapes everything you'll ever become. People chase wealth, possessions, and fame, but the richest among us are those who value every hour. Time doesn't shout, it whispers, softly reminding us that nothing lasts forever, not even the moments we take for granted. The clock ticks the same for everyone, but how you fill those ticks defines your life. Some use their time to build dreams, others spend it escaping from them. Every second is a seed. You choose whether it grows or disappears in the wind. You can lend your money, but never your time. You can borrow knowledge, but not another person's moment. And one day, when the final sunset fades, it won't be the gold or cars you remember. It will be the minutes that made you feel alive. We spend years waiting for the right moment, not realizing that every moment is already right. The laughter with a friend, the walk in the rain, the call you never made, they all fade quietly into the vault of time. Technology can store memories, but it can't rewind life. AI can predict the future, but it can't return yesterday. Time is the only wealth that even the greatest minds can't recreate. So slow down, breathe deeply, and give your time to what truly matters. Listen more, love more, live with intention. Because one day, the clock will stop, and all that will remain is how you spent your hours. Time is not your enemy, it's your teacher. It shows you what's precious by letting go of what's not. So treat every second as sacred currency and invest it in the moments that make your soul richer. Because in the end, when everything fades, you'll realize time was the only true wealth you ever owned.